Welcome everyone to the DNC Real Estate Show. This is D.
I'm C.
Hi everyone. Well, our topic today is title insurance. So that's something a little bit different. Title insurance is something that that is required
Absolutely.
per se. At least on the lender side, it's required that we have title insurance to close on a home,
Yes, sir.
real property. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Can you talk a little bit about title insurance, what the lender requires?
Sure. On the lender side, we require that you have title insurance for a couple of different reasons. First of all, the title company is the disinterested third party. So they handle all the money. They make sure that the payoff gets executed. They make sure that if there's anything that's outstanding, that it gets taken care of. Their job is to make sure there's no additional liens or encumbrances on the property. And what I mean by that is the seller didn't have a plumber come in and put a sprinkler system in and then not pay for it, and then they end up with a mechanic's lien. So the title company is going to make sure that you have clean title that can be transferred over to the new owner, and they're going to handle all the money and make sure that everybody gets paid on the deal. So talk a little bit on the realtor side about the owner title policy and how the seller is supposed to maybe pay for that. We have the lender title policy that you're going to get the bundled rate on. But elaborate a little bit more on that, David, if you would.
So what is title insurance? Let's start from there. What is title insurance? It's really, if you really think about insurance, the regular insurance that you have right now, either life, you have car insurance, health insurance, either is a monthly charge or a premium for future events, correct?
Yes, sir.
Well, title is a little bit different. Title insurance is for something that happened in the past. You know, basically what they do is retract and go all the way, depends on what title you get. If you get a general warranty deed, it goes all the way back when the house first started, when it first built, and the owners from there. And if you get a specialty warranty deed, that's for the last time, how long that person owned the property from that specific time. Okay. So it's a one-time charge, one-time premium charge at closing, and you typically have that at escrow. At closing, at the closing table. So it's not something that's a monthly charge, it's a one-time fee. Okay, that happens. Now you have to, their main job is to make sure you have clean title, period. Okay, you know, everybody want the clean title. I want my house to be my house, and I don't have. So if for instance, if you don't have that insurance, you know, everything, say for instance, they went all the way back and they found out that it had property taxes that was not paid. Okay. Which the insurance company usually take care of, but say they had property taxes wasn't paid. The taxes would come and take your house.
Oh yeah.
Say you have an estranged husband or wife or whatever, and they actually own the house with you and you never got their signature, they can come back and put a stake in the home. Sure. So it's insurance. So the title company, you know, it's a defect in the insurance policy itself. So what ends up happening is title insurance make it right. So they'll pay off the lenders, they pay off, you know, whatever, if that's the case. Right. You know, so that's what basically what insurance is. It's a protection. Okay.
They handle the money.
They handle the money, and also too, you really think about it. It's like a storybook of your home. You know, it'll tell you, you know, do you own the water rights, the mineral rights, everything that's wrong, that, you know, what my lot size is. They give you all that information. And they also, a lot of times, sometimes they don't want to say, hey, do a survey on the home. Right. You know, somebody might be using, say you're in the mountains sometime and it's one road in and one road out. And a lot of people don't think about one road in, one out. Is it on my property or on somebody else's property? Yes. So
gotta get that site survey.
Yes. So the title insurance will let you know kind of what's going on. You have a history of the property itself. So that's what you get and you read. And typically your realtor will help you out on that also too. But it's really up to the owner to read the policy. Right. But a good realtor knows this, and he'll help his client along the way and tell him what's in and what's out, and these items need to be paid also too, because typically they're gonna make sure it's a clean title. So if you owe something and you have a lawsuit against you, you have work that was done on the property or whatever, they're gonna make sure it's clean title, and they have to get that all taken care of prior to closing
Yeah,
on
absolutely.
the property. So that's what title insurance is. So give me your information.
Hey, I can always be reached. I'm Calvin with Fairway Independent Mortgage. Reach me direct at 720-364-9726. You can do an application online at loansbycalvin.com. Google me on Facebook at Loans by Calvin. How about you, David? How can everybody get a hold of you?
My name is David Babineau from Caldwell Banker Residential Brokerage. My phone number is 303-903-0395. Once again, 303-903-0395. Or you can look me up on social media, The Real Estate Man 24/7. Have a blessed day.
Have a great day, everybody. Thank you.